It is time now to begin celebrating some birthdays this fine Tuesday morning. We are beginning first with Paisley Murphy of Fort Scott, turning 7 years old today. Happy birthday to you, Paisley.
All right, and we've got Braylon Hazley, turning 9 years old this year in Pittsburgh. Look at that little grasshopper on his finger. Aw, I bet he's sweet with all animals like that. Happy birthday, Braylon.
We also have Kinley Price in Sarcoxie, celebrating her golden birthday. Turning 12 is what they tell us, so a very happy golden 12th birthday to you, Kinley Price, down in Sarcoxie.
Okay, I'm pretty sure they're enjoying a little, is that Burger King they're enjoying there? Possibly. If they are, I wish they had the crown on.
Yeah, it's definitely Burger King. Definitely BK.
I know you just traditionally get the crown for the kids' meals, but if it's your birthday.
You can get crowns when you're an adult, too.
There you go. I enjoy a good Burger King crown.
All right.
I like their fries, too.
Oh, gosh.
All right, we've got Darcy Miller turning 19 years old this year in Girard. Happy birthday, Darcy.
Frank Kaufman turning 21 and celebrating today a big birthday. Man, I remember turning 21. It was an excellent birthday all around. This picture was taken at SeaWorld in San Antonio, Texas. So that's not a bad way to spend the birthday. So might as well head back, right?
Looks like Frank had a pretty good vacation there.
Absolutely.
All right, we got belated birthday wish going out to Jimmy Miller, who is celebrating in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Jimmy.
And our very own Amanda Salgado celebrating a birthday today. She's one of our digital marketing assistants. It's folks like Amanda who help us pay our bills because they get folks out there to buy some ads. And that helps pay our bills. But you don't want to buy ads if you don't deal with great people. And Amanda is one of those great people that you get to deal with. So we thank her and we celebrate her birthday today.
Please see Amanda Salgado for all your advertising needs.
Absolutely.
All right, our birthday list goes on. We got Jessica Ray in Columbus. Happy birthday to you. Barbara Grizzle in Columbus. She's a resident at Medical Lodges there. And you know what, Chris? The party's in the bus.
It is in the bus. Oh my goodness. I didn't understand what you meant until I looked at this list and went, oh my gosh. All of these are in Columbus, including a 64th wedding anniversary for Dewey and LaDonna Smith. 64 amazing years. So if you're in Columbus today, might as well have a parade. It's party time over there, so get on it. Get on it.
I love it when we get to say the party's at the bus.
Bring the party bus to the bus.
That's right. All right, and if you have a birthday, please send them to us at birthdays@koamtv.com, or you can submit them online at birthdays@koamnewsnow.com. And when you're there,
you can sign up for this. This is my favorite thing. That's why I get so excited about this. This is the KOAM Birthday Club. You know how you be a part of it? Like Tanya said, go to our website and just sign up. You know what comes with this? Special deals from local businesses. And who doesn't need a special deal? I need special deals. Might even include a birthday crown. You never know. So make sure you go over there, sign up for the KOAM News Now Birthday Club.